Alright, so I'm done with my list and I'm getting ready with my mask and we're about to go out.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Okay, so today is Friday and ugma, mag-start na ang enhanced community quarantine there sa Cebu City. So, today is I think the best time for us to go outside and buy all the things that we need, like food, mga laundry soap, and other things na kailangan. So, what I'm doing right now before I go out is I will be listing the things that I'll be buying sa grocery or sa wet market, and I'll catch you up later. Alright, so I'm done with my list and I'm getting ready with my mask and we're about to go out.
Damn, son.
Let's go.
Damn, son.
Alright, so bago ako nakaabot dito sa balay and it's very exhausting but very, na-surprise ko kay I thought nga daghan akong tao dito sa Metro Colon, just like what I've seen sa katong mga posts yesterday taas kayo niya, but surprisingly paspas kaayo ang turnover sa mga tao, and wala like 30 minutes kung naglinya and then nakasulod na dayon ko sa grocery or sa supermarket, and then I spent about an hour nagtuyok-tuyok sa akong mga needs kinahanglanon, and then after that also 20 to 30 minutes ang imong linya sa counter, so about 2 hours all in all. Travel, ang paglinya, ang pagpili sa imong mga or pagkuha sa imong mga gusto paliton, and ang pagbayad sa cashier and apil na pauli. So that's just about 2 hours. I've heard yesterday nga from few friends nga antan sila 4 hours linya, for 2 hours naglinya pa lang, and then mamili pa mo. So it's about 4 hours all in all nila ang time na na-spend yesterday sa grocery, but luckily now magkakubas na mga tao kay nagpapangumpra na majority of them, and so we're so much blessed to have the opportunity na makumantag sa iyo. And so it's been a while nga naka-grocery ko ginani kadaghan kay normally mo just enough for the quincenas, but right now it's a different case because of the impending lockdown or enhanced community quarantine diri sa city, and so ubay-ubay ang gipamalit, but wala kay ko ni palit og mga karne and kanang mga fresh produce mo balik pa ko ana tomorrow dito sa Carbon. So what I purchased today kay kanang mga canned goods,
biscuits, mga chips, and other snacks na pwede na ito makaon-kaon for the day. And so tomorrow, ato ko carbon kaya magpalit ko eggs, and nasa akong list is kanang palit ko cucumber and carrots para nasa tayo mga healthy snacks, because majority of us atong ipamalit is kanang mga processed foods, so it is also important na we ngita sa tag mga healthy food. So tomorrow mo na akong tuyo sa carbon kaya pagtag mga fresh produce, meat, and mga vegetables and fruits. And so let's unpack kung sa akong napalit today. Unani kataas ang akong resibo, and ang total is 3,200 or 3,152 and 5 cents. And muna siya ang box nga gisudlan. So again, it's my first time in a long time nga naka-grocery na ni kadaghan, and so let's start to unpack with my scissors. Oops. Ito ko ba lumakat using my left hand? Bali. There, that's dali. Okay, so let's start. And so that's just it for today. I hope you guys stay safe, and I hope you're done with your shopping sa groceries and sa supermarkets. And let's just stay calm and dili na magpanic, buying, because that's what the governor said. Open ba ang mga essential na mga establishments like grocery store, supermarkets, pharmacies, banks, mga money transfers, ATM. So basically, what we need are still there despite the enhanced community quarantine. It's just wala na public transportation and very limited ang atoang mga lihok. And so I hope all of you are safe, and let's frequently wash our hands and take vitamins, stay healthy, and eat healthy food. Alright, that's it for today, and if you like this video, if ka-relate ka, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye.